Hey, and thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Today I'm going to show you a flip through of my latest Midori insert that's filled up. You might remember that I did a migration video on migrating into this insert. I started this insert on the 11th of June this year and I will finish it. I'm not sure when I upload this, but I will finish this insert on the 11th of November. So by coincidence that is exactly 5 months. I think I might have added this wax seal later just because I thought the color matched very well and I wanted to try out the stamp that was new back then. And on the 12th I will start in this insert. Well, I've actually already started a little bit because I needed to plan ahead for this period. I didn't really film a migration video on this because I just did it bits by bits. But this will start on the 12th of November, and of course I will show you a flip through when I'm finished with it. But to the main part of this video, I'm going to take this insert out for me to be flipped through more easily. So here's my yearly overview. I did add this little pocket when I migrated, but I've actually never really used it. And for my use of this overview, I actually really enjoyed it because I usually just plan ahead a little bit more in the booklet itself. But if I really needed to write something down, it was possible with the 3 lines on here. So I decided to do the same in my new booklet. And now I will just let you enjoy my flip through, and I might talk a little bit more if I find something interesting. And sometimes I don't have the time to decorate, so I just do something really quick. Just use stickers and a quick quote. Yeah, this trick, I really enjoyed doing this. Whenever I have something that happens multiple days, I just make a box and erase the lines of the original boxes. So I know that that event is happening for multiple days. For example, here my friend Vera was coming over. I did that somewhere else as well. Wow! You can see how much I use this booklet. Remember the flip out? I actually never wrote anything on these days because I didn't have to do anything. I started on this Monday. And here again I did the multiple day bar. It's crazy to me how different these weeks are from these weeks. This is when I started studying again. This was during the summer holiday. Isn't that crazy? And that was the final week. I'm just covering these dates up because these are still happening and I don't like having my future appointments or important dates out in the open. But yeah, that was it for this flip through. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of these types of videos, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope I will see you next time. Bye bye!